Welcome to another edition of Recon TV. Today, we will be installing a set of smoked Recon LED front DRLs with scanning amber turn signals and smoked Recon side markers for a 2019 Jeep JL. The part numbers are 264-148 LED BK and 264-149 BK. These Recon DRL lights replace the front DRL and turn signals for a 2018 through 2020 Jeep JL with OEM LED DRLs. We also manufacture a version of this light that will replace the OEM Halogen version, and that part number is 264-148 BK. These lights are plug and play and come complete with high-powered white LEDs that operate as daytime running lights and high-powered amber LEDs that scan for the turn signals. Remove the push clips and bolts on the underside of the fender to remove the weather guard and gain access to the light assembly in the fender. With the clips and screws removed, simply pull back the weather guard. Next, remove the two bolts that hold the fender to the Jeep and gently separate it a few inches from the body. Locate the screws that hold the light bracket in place and remove them along with the push clip on the top edge of the bracket, and then remove the bracket. Locate the screw on the inner edge that holds the side marker light into place and remove it. Using a pick tool or a small screwdriver, release the clip on the connector and unplug the side marker light from the stock harness, then remove the side light. Locate the four screws that hold the DRL light in place and remove them to release the light from the fender. Install the Recon DRL using the OEM screws and then reconnect the power harness, making sure to lock the harness into the back of the light to seal it. Install the Recon side marker using the OEM screw and reconnect the power harness. Please make sure to test the lights before you reinstall the mounting bracket and weather guard on the fender. Thank you again for watching another edition of Recon TV. Get lit.